Welcome. So, reasoning. Like in AI, reasoning and problem solving was it is the part of it. And early researchers developed algorithm that imitated step-by-step reasoning that humans use when they solve puzzles or make logical deductions. Okay, when we solve puzzles, we use the reasoning for that. We humans, step to step, we solve puzzles, we play games and all logical deduction. So same it was used for researchers use it for AI. In 1980 and 1990s, AI research had developed methods of dealing with uncertainty and incomplete information, employing concepts from probability and economics. They've developed researchers developed in 90s 1980 to 1990. They developed methods of dealing with uncertainty and all. They started going to the statics, probability and all. I think they realized that we need data for at that point of time, 90s 1980 and 1990. They realized we need data for AI to become more dominant and solve more problems. Okay, and then these algorithms proved to be insufficient for solving large reasoning problems because they experience a combinatory explosion. They became exponentially slower as the problem grew larger. Okay, even humans rarely use the step-to-step deduction that early AI research could model. So they solve most of their problem using fast intuitive judgments. So you human beings are always like they are based on intuitive things. We do intuitive decisions and all. Sometimes they are wrong, sometimes it depends on how good is your intuitional channel of your body. So but they tried step to step process for AI, but then they were failed. They couldn't succeed in this model. Later we'll go to the next section, which is knowledge representation in AI, artificial intelligence. Thanks so much, thank you so much, my gratitude to all of you, and stay connected. And let's go to the other section, which is knowledge representation.